I don't know to what extent they have been in the inner city, especially around Trenchtown and Rima, Wilton Gardens and them places where you see the little girls carrying baby. One of them from 12 come up.
Yes.
2, 3 children behind them and thing, and them don't know where them baby father is. The baby father themselves are 15, 16-year-old, and the only thing they know is about the gun and violence. You know? So it's a different kind of thing, and I'm cold because the young man say, listen, I'll make some up tonight, you know.
Yeah.
Right.
Well, I don't know King Lazarus, and this one is called State of Emergency. Selassie the first. We don't want no more bloodshed, no we not send dead. A message we are send to all the kill them. No more bloodshed, no we not send dead. A message we are send. It's a state of emergency. The people need help urgently. Watch yourself when you're walking on the street. Broad daylight and gunshot a beat. It's weeping and moaning and gnashing of teeth. It's bloodshed, warring on the streets. Eradicate poverty and crime would have cease. Somebody tag Rowley. Election time when them coming on the streets. Full up the people with them hopes and dreams.
From the other day, me start listening a little bit of Muta Baruka because I see my do a little bit of interview with couple ex-police from Jamaica, even the boy named Mark Sheets. But I haven't listened to them, I've only listened to one, and it is this man right here, Trinity. And when I listened to it, it was so revealing to me. And I said to myself, I have to do a video. I don't care if people want to watch it, but I have to do a video and talk about the police gang them, and really and truly that is the biggest problem in Jamaica, cleaning up the police force. And this man, him kinda explain it the best. Now, the audio me have, it's courtesy of Muta Baruka, and you know say me lick out for Muta Baruka. You understand? Because even listening to this interview with him and Trinity, him ask some good questions, but him still not doing anything for the community, cause him knows that the community in shambles. Him knows that the people them now give the police no information, because once you give police information, the gunman them are gonna know, cause them are work with police, and him understand the whole thing, the whole concept of everything, but him still not do nothing. But yeah, so me have to kinda explore that thought there in my mind and do this video. So I don't really know how this video will turn out, but I do the video. So let's go. Good day, my wonderful friends. It's me again, the great countryman. Remember to like, share and subscribe and click on another video. I have some people who say them are my friend, but they move like big pussy hole. I just want them listen this and know say, yo, I'm very disappointed in them. And a two person me talk, but me not go call them me. That's Jamaica. You have some really bottom feeder, some petty man where they are Jamaica, come from Jamaica. Now, with that said, they are talk about Jamaican police gang, because they have been plaguing Jamaica for years and years, and we see all this crime suppression. Every minute you see the Jamaican police come up with a new task force the anti-gang task force, them combine the anti-gang task force with the army, and it just goes on and on and on. But the real problem is what ex-police Senior Superintendent Trinity, because he was born right down there in Rosetown, Western Kingston side, and he said until we can clean up, let me repeat this now, clean up the police force, that's when we will have a better Jamaica. Now, Mr. Trinity explained it better than me. I'm going to play a little clip. Before I get into Trinity, because I said I was going to play a clip from Mota Baruka, I want to play a clip from a video I did on police corruption, and this ties into what Trinity is saying, and it is so fucking frustrating for me because no police has been taken off front duty. No police have been administered for discipline. You do not have that in the system, How do you stop these rogue police? Yo, listen to this Gregory Park thing. Bro God, big up yourself. Nanny, you know me I talk, cause you about me, You understand? Nanny big and serious. So yo, Nanny, big up yourself, you know me I talk. Now, something weird happened with the Gregory Park bombing, our house burning, arresting, and 2 people dead. I really want to talk about it. So let's go. Well, for those of you who don't know, there was a fire bombing or arson in Gregory Park a couple months ago, in around August them time there. Now, the Prime Minister and the Commissioner of Police went to the scene, and this is what they say. Listen to this, because I want to prove something here, that this guy Nigel, they use him as a scapegoat. But listen to this.
It is still not clear the number of persons involved in the brazen attack, but what is known is that it wasn't carried out only by men,
but also women who are willing to come over and burn out other women and children.
People who have committed it are terrorists.
Yes. Yes.
And they should be treated as such.
Yes.
They should be dealt with the limits of the law.
We're going to treat this one specially. And the people who committed the crime were seen. And I'm going to be personally on it to ensure that every last one of them is found. We have mechanisms in place which we have triggered to ensure that those who are operating overseas, as well that those who are local, those who are politically connected, and those who are influential in terms of having money to support gangs, that they are also interdicted. But of course, there is an element in the society who does not want us to empower our police force to be able to act preemptively.
Now, when I started this video, I said I don't know how it would turn out. But remember in another video I did, okay, I said the Jamaica police have taken up the war strategy, like US, what they do, I guess them get intelligence and then them act. preemptively. So it's like search and destroy. So let's continue hearing this clip from a prior video about police corruption.
Because the truth is that some of these people who have committed these crimes are on the radar, but you are not empowered to act on them.
What the Prime Minister is saying right here is exactly what Trinity is saying about the Jamaica Constabulary Force. But he is talking about criminals, and the Prime Minister talking about criminals, and Trinity talking about criminal police, which I think that is the problem, because they do have the body to enforce discipline in the Jamaica Constabulary Force, but as Trinity said, they don't do it. Let's go.
Until they would have committed themselves in this way.
Now, you hear what the police commissioner said. It was a group of people, including women, who decided to burn those people out and shot a taxi man while they were leaving. Now, you hear the Prime Minister said they're gonna deal with this like a terrorist attack, and it's attack on Jamaicans, and the government has triggered certain mechanism. That's what he said, quote. And he also said that there are people who don't want them to empower policemen and empower the government, because a lot of those people who was in this thing was on the police radar. Now, and this is where the corruption comes in this case, because the Prime Minister come out and he make a big PR about gangs and this and that, but all of what he's saying, he should be directing that towards the police command. But for some reason, the National Security Minister, Justice Minister, the Prime Minister, none of them make the police then be accountable in terms of discipline. Very undisciplined force, yo. Listen to this. This is part 1 of Jamaica JCF plagued by police gang and Trinity speak out. Stay tuned for the part 2. Click on the link below. Listen, my name is Countryman. Remember to like, share, subscribe, and click on another video. I'm out. Good over evil.